2 WhatsApp in one smartphone. Want to know how to do it? Then watch and learn. First, go to Settings. And in the Search tab, type Dual. Next, click Dual Messenger. Scroll down and look for Dual Messenger. Here, we have the option to make Dual WhatsApp, Dual Facebook, Viber, and Messenger. Let's try Dual WhatsApp. Enable this button. And click Install. Our second WhatsApp now is active, and there should be a WhatsApp icon on our main screen. Let's go back to our main screen, and look for the newly installed WhatsApp. Now, drag this to the main screen. Open the new WhatsApp. Then click Agree and Continue. Here, you can add your number and details and follow the steps to make new WhatsApp account. So, that's it. If you learned something, please like, share and subscribe.